30 फ्रेम्स पर सेकेंड। जी हाँ, आप एक सेकेंड में 30 फ्रेम्स कैप्चर कर सकते हैं इवन इन रॉ मोड। मतलब ये तो वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए एक वरदान है कि आप कोई भी एक्शन मिस नहीं करेंगे। एक्शन की हर एक मोमेंट को आप बारीकी से कैप्चर कर पाएंगे। बट इसका एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि जब आप वापस आते हैं यू कम बैक विद थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इमेजेस। बिकॉज हर एक सिचुएशन तो ऐसी नहीं है कि आपको हमेशा 30 फ्रेम्स पे सेकेंड पे शूट करना पड़े। फ्रॉम 6 फ्रेम टू सेकेंड से 30 फ्रेम से सेकेंड पे जाने के लिए आपको हर बार अपने ड्राइव मोड के डायल को घुमाना पड़ेगा और ये बहुत ही क्लमजी सिचुएशन हो जाती है जब आप वाइल्ड लाइफ या स्पोर्ट्स फोटोग्राफी में शूट कर रहे हैं। तो इस चीज़ को ओवरकम करने के लिए अल्फा 1 मार्क II, जो कि सोनी का एक फ्लैगशिप कैमरा है, इट हैज़ गॉट अ वेरी यूनिक फीचर कॉल्ड स्पीड बूस्टर सेटिंग। So by pressing one button, your camera will go to 30 frames per second immediately, and again pressing the same button you can come back to 6 to 8 frame per second। इससे हर सिचुएशन में आपको 30 फ्रेम्स पर सेकेंड पे शूट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी एंड विद इन अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड आप एक्शन को कैप्चर कर पाएंगे और प्री कैप्चर इसके कॉम्बिनेशन में यूज़ करेंगे ताकि आपकी बहुत सारी मोमेंट स्पेशली बर्ड फ्लाइट शॉट आप मिस ना करो। So let me show you how to set up your speed booster settings and customize your camera to turn it on and off without rotating your drive modes button. First, you go into the menu, go into the shooting menu. From there you go to drive mode. From there you go to continuous speed booster setting. Change your continuous speed booster setting to 30 frames per second. From drive mode, again you go to the pre-capture setting. In pre-capture setting, change your pre-capture to on. Pre-capture recording time before you hit the shutter release, keep it at 1 second, which is the maximum. And for pre-capture starts, keep both situations valid, whether it is shutter half press or autofocusing. Keep them valid for both situations. So now you're done with your continuous speed booster setting and pre-capture setting. From here you go to the menu called setup. So in setup menu, go into the operations and customization. From here you go to the custom key and dial setting. In this particular setting, you go to center button where you can see my thumb right now is there, and change it to continuous speed booster toggle on and off, and it is already at 30 frames per second, so you don't have to change any other settings now. From here you go to the custom button 5, which is right in front of the camera as you can see in the diagram, and change it to pre-capture on and off. Now your camera is set at low frames per second. Your camera is customized to turn your continuous speed booster on and off and your pre-capture on and off. All you have to check is your shutter. Go into the shooting mode and check your shutter and keep it at electronic shutter. So now if you are shooting at low frames per second, which is 4 to 6 frames per second, by pressing this particular button, your continuous speed booster is on, and now your camera will be shooting at 30 frames per second. And if you find any action which is going to happen, you just press C5 in front of the camera and your pre-capture will be turned on and turned off. So with this particular setting, even your camera drive mode is set at low frames per second. Now your camera is shooting pre-capture as well as your continuous speed booster is on, and your camera is shooting at 30 frames per second. Whenever you feel that you don't have to shoot 30 frames per second or you do not need a pre-capture, just press C5, your pre-capture is off, and press the center button and your continuous speed booster is off, and now your camera is shooting at 4 to 6 frames per second. So now all you have to do is check your speed booster setting, check your pre-capture setting, and customize your camera for both these features to turn them on and off and toggle between these two settings. So by using one finger and thumb while shooting action, you can turn on and off immediately with a fraction of second. इससे आपके मेमोरी कार्ड भी अननेसेसरी फिलअप नहीं होंगे, आपका बहुत सारा समय डिलीटिंग में और सिलेक्शन में भी बच जाएगा और आप कोई मोमेंट्स को मिस भी नहीं करेंगे और ज़्यादातर टाइम आप 6 to 8 फ्रेम पर सेकंड पे शूट कर सकते हैं। जब आपको ज़रूरत पड़े विद इन अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड योर कैमरा विल स्टार्ट शूटिंग एट 30 फ्रेम्स per second. If you find this information useful and you want to know more about Sony Alpha cameras and how we shoot during wildlife, please give your suggestions and recommendations in the comment section and we can try and come back with the videos which will be more helpful to you guys.